This is my code for homework 7. So first here we have a few import statements, and so I'm just using the starter code here for load data set and building the tree, prediction of the tree, etc. I made my changes here in the process data set method. So first we use the load data set method to get the data, the features, and the target column from the data file. Then we use the build sklearn_tree method to build the tree model, and then we create a k-fold using the k-fold function we import, and then we create a empty array to hold all of our cross validation data, which is just either the accuracy or the mean squared error depending on the type of the data set. And then we get the data from the dataset method, right? Then we split the train and test data based on the k-fold, right? And then for each of the possible splits, we create a decision tree or regressor, depending on if it's a classification model or a regression model. We fit the model, get a prediction, and then if we're doing classification, we calculate the accuracy and then store it in the array. If we're doing regression, we get the mean squared error and store it in the array. Then once we've done that for all of the k-folds, we can print out the values and the accuracy of the values, the fold and the mean squared of the fold and the accuracy here, and then the average of each of the individual fold values as well. Then we can also, again, do the same thing here for specific depths, and then we just get the cross-validation accuracy using the cross-val score based on the classifier and regressor again. Then in the next step, here what we do, we get the train accuracies and the validation accuracies, and so we just do the same thing we did, pretty much the same thing we did here with the depths, but instead of just using specific depths, we use every depth from 1 to 10, and then we just fit it on the model. You get the accuracy score or the mean squared error, depending on whether it's a classifier or a regressor, and then store it in the array. Then we create a plot using those data, and then print that to the terminal, we just get the plot. And then finally, if we're testing any data, then we just do that here at the bottom. We just get the test case, the expected value, and then use the predict sklearn_tree function to get a predicted value. And then we can also use visualize tree here to create a visualization of the tree. So I used the bikes data set, the wine quality red data set, and then also I added a new data set called salary, which we can see here. Basically compares years of experience to salary right here. So yeah, if I run this code here, you'll get so we get like the fold and mean square values, and then the cross validation accuracy here as well, based on the feature set and the target column. And then we can also do test cases here based on some data and then expected output and see what the predicted output would be. Similarly here, we do the same thing for the wine quality red program, right? And then the tests here, and then also my salary program with years of experience, mean square, average, the accuracy, and then the tests. So yeah, and then also you can see we get a chart comparing the training accuracy and validation accuracy, as well as a little picture of the the decision tree. And then here, same thing for the wine, and then the decision tree, and then the salary and the decision tree. So yeah.